Here's a video about this cat excavator. Leaking cylinders, oil all over. Hope they won't complain about it. As you can see, it's pretty clean, not a lot of dirt. This is the cracked window that I was telling you about, and as you can see, it doesn't close, so it's dangling. Let me go inside. And there is no way I can close it. I've tried. Looks like this lock is not engaging. So I hope when we get there we still have this window here and it's not gonna fly off going down the road, because as you can see, the only thing holding it together is just those rollers. Bucket cylinder, it's all clear, it doesn't touch any metal. The buckets, it's sitting on the wood. Engine compartment, exhaust covered. This one locked.